Hello everyone, this is Sujata Misra and today I want to show you how to install a setup suction or push-up suction is also its name is push-up suction, and all parts are here. Two EVA foam and handle, and this is the stand. So now we install this. Use this handle and EVA foam. One hole is there, so you just fixed it here, and handle will sewn here. Same procedure for second handle. Use it. So it's installed, and now we fix this handle to stand. So this one is the button, and you just choose the height where you want to fix. Just put here at the which height you want, and add a button here. So it's now installed, and this one is for the surface gripping, and when you just make it parallel, then this will grip the surface, and when you just vertically up, then for surface, this surface is flat. So when you want to add this button on the surface, you just put this button horizontal like this. So I am adding this one. To fix this,